Hello, and welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I am so happy you are here today. My name is Alex, and I am your English teacher. Today, we talk about the weather. Weather means what the sky and air are like outside. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it raining? Is it sunny? That is the weather. We talk about the weather every day, with friends, with family, with colleagues. It is one of the most common topics in English. Common means you hear it very often. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, I wake up in the morning. I open my curtains. Curtains are the cloth you hang over your window. I look outside. The sky is bright and blue. There are no clouds. Clouds are the white or gray shapes in the sky. No clouds today, just blue sky and sunshine. Sunshine means the light from the sun. I smile. It is a beautiful day. I feel happy when the weather is good. Good weather gives me energy. It makes me want to go outside. It makes me want to walk, to move, to do things. I open my window. The air comes in. The air is warm and fresh. Warm means a little hot but comfortable. Not too hot, not too cold, just right. I take a deep breath. Deep breath means you breathe in a lot of air slowly. It feels wonderful. In my country, we have different kinds of weather. Different kinds means not the same. Not every day is sunny. Not every day is rainy. The weather changes every day. Changes means it is different from day to day. Let me tell you about the 4 kinds of weather I see most often. The first kind is sunny weather. Sunny means the sun is shining bright. On sunny days, the sky is blue and clear. Clear means you can see far away. The temperature is high. Temperature means how hot or cold the air is. On sunny days, people go outside. They go to the park. They sit in cafes. They walk on the street. Everyone seems happy on a sunny day. Seem means it looks like. The second kind is cloudy weather. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. Gray clouds cover the sun. Gray is a color between white and black. On cloudy days, the light is soft. Soft light means not too bright. It is not too hot and not too cold. Some people like cloudy days. It is a good day to stay inside and read a book or drink tea. The third kind is rainy weather. Rainy means water falls from the sky. We call this rain. Rain comes from clouds. When clouds get very heavy with water, the water falls down. That is rain. Sometimes the rain is light. Light rain means small drops of water. Drops are small amounts of water. Light rain is also called drizzle. Drizzle means very soft and small rain. Sometimes the rain is heavy. Heavy rain means a lot of water falls very fast. On heavy rain days, you need an umbrella. An umbrella is the thing you hold above your head to stay dry. Dry means not wet. Wet means the water is on you or your clothes. I like light rain. It is relaxing. Relaxing means it helps you feel calm. The sound of light rain on the window is very peaceful. But I do not like heavy rain. It makes everything wet. It is hard to go outside. Hard means difficult. The fourth kind is windy weather. Windy means there is a lot of wind. Wind is air that moves fast. On windy days, the trees move. Your hair moves. Sometimes your umbrella breaks. Breaks means it stops working. Strong wind can be uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means it does not feel good. Now, let me tell you about my favorite kind of weather. My favorite is warm and sunny weather. Not too hot, just warm. Maybe 25 degrees. Degrees is how we measure temperature. On this kind of day, I love to sit outside with a cold drink. I watch the people walk by. I feel the sun on my face. I feel completely happy. Completely means 100%. But I also have a soft place in my heart for rainy days. A soft place in my heart means I have warm feelings for something. On rainy days, I stay home. I make a hot drink. I sit near the window. I watch the rain fall outside. It is quiet. It is cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable inside. I read a book or listen to music. Rainy days are perfect for resting. My friend Lisa does not agree with me. She does not like rainy days at all. She says rain makes her feel sad. Sad because the sky is gray. Sad because she cannot go outside. She prefers sunny days. Prefer means to like one thing more than another. Lisa always checks the weather on her phone before she goes out. She wants to be ready. Ready means prepared for what will happen. I think checking the weather is a very good habit. A good habit is something useful you do regularly. Before you go out, check the weather. If it's sunny, wear light clothes. Light clothes means thin clothes that are not heavy or warm. If it's cold, wear a jacket. A jacket is a short coat. If it's rainy, bring your umbrella. Always be prepared. Here are some useful weather sentences you can use every day. What is the weather like today? It is sunny and warm. It is cold and cloudy. It might rain later. Might means maybe. Don't forget your umbrella. The weather is perfect today. It is too hot to go outside. I love this kind of weather. The weather is changing. I think a storm is coming. A storm means very strong rain and wind together. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful. Use them with your friends. Use them every day. Now, let's review the key words from today. Weather. Weather means what the sky and air are like outside. Sunshine means the light from the sun. Temperature means how hot or cold the air is. Drizzle means very soft and small rain. Umbrella keeps you dry in the rain. Cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable inside. Storm means very strong rain and wind together. 7 key words about weather. Think about these words tomorrow when you look outside. What is the weather like? Say it in English. Just one sentence. That's enough. Thank you so much for listening to Train Your English Brain. The weather changes every day, but your English only gets better every day. Small steps every day lead to big results. You are training your English brain. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.